Welcome to the Small Group Teaching Lab, another one of our highly collaborative and technology-rich learning spaces.
This modern classroom was built to support all the ways students learn. Its modular layout is designed to create a flexible environment that encourages teamwork, supports hands-on learning, and improves communication about complex subjects.
With current technology, histology instructors can project microscope images directly to every monitor, ensuring all students view the same structures simultaneously while enhancing clarity and accessibility.
Similarly, this technology enables radiology students to examine radiographs in detail from any seat, providing all learners with equal and convenient access to high-quality images.
Tables and monitors can be rearranged to fit any teaching style or group activity, and every pod features a monitor where students can plug in their own laptops to share notes, images, or study materials with their group.
Students have 24/7 badge access to this classroom, so it's another great space for after-hours study, microscope practice, and preparation for exams. This space fosters connection, bringing students together in ways that prove K-State's commitment to exceptional teaching and student well-being. You are not just learning veterinary medicine through excellent instruction. You are learning teamwork and collaboration with your future colleagues.
Discover how our innovative student spaces prepare you to become a confident, practice-ready veterinarian. Learn more at vet.k-state.edu/admissions.